welcome back to my channel. So today is all about the Marc Jacobs beauty. So I got sent two liners in the post from Marc Jacobs, so I thought I would test them out and show you how you can achieve these desired looks. So this is the first look, and later on I'm going to show you like a smoky dark eye look. But before we get into this video, if you're brand new to this channel, why not hit that subscribe button? I do videos Sundays and Wednesdays. However, in the month of January I am uploading videos because I have a lot of content for you guys. If you want to hit that subscribe button, I'm going to give you a few seconds to hit that subscribe button. So we're all just going to wait for you to subscribe. Have you subscribed? I know you've subscribed. So let's get into the video. So I got this gift from Marc Jacobs Beauty, and inside there are two Marc Jacobs highlighters. First one I'm going to shoot is the Deja blue, and you can just twist it up like this. Like so. We don't want to twist it up, it's already full. First I was like, what are they sending me? Like, why is this so bright? I was like, do they not know my skin color? And then I realized, you know what, maybe this could run. This could actually run. So let's create the first look. I'm just going to draw on my hand so you can see the color. And this is what I mean. I was like, but at the end of the day, let's see what we can do with this. So the first thing that I want to do is prime my eyes. So I'm going to take the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. I'm just going to put a little bit on each eyelid, and then just going to take my trusted beauty blender and then just blend all of that in. And then because I don't have any eye product, I'm just going to take the Sleek Idivine eyeshadow palette, and this is the New Day palette. I'm just going to go in with an orange brown tone on the eyelids, and the brush that I'm using is the Gigi Hadid contour brush. This is absolutely the best brush ever. And then I'm just going to take my Real Techniques base eyeshadow brush and just blend all of that in. And because we're going for a pop of colour, I'm then going to take my FENTY Beauty Galaxy palette, and I'm just going to go in with this orange colour. I believe the name is Sunburst. The reason why I went in with the Sleek palette first is because the Fenty Beauty, you kind of need to underline it. Like, it kind of needs a base to it before you actually put the glitter on. So just going to go in with this Sunburst, which is an orange glitter colour, which I think mixed with the blue could either go terribly wrong or it could just be like a really nice pop of colour. Just going to go in now on the other eye. Now I'm just going to go into the corners of my eyes with the Mars on Fire from the Fenty Beauty palette. And then I'm going to go in with the Marc Jacobs eyeliner in Deja blue. You know what? It's actually not that bad. Like, I do feel a bit like Swedish or Scandinavian. So I'm just going to go in on the other eye. Here's a look. I'm just going to put on some mascara. I'm using the Gigi Hadid Sensational Lash Mascara, just to brighten everything a little bit up and just to kind of neaten everything up. And then I'm just going to go on to my other eyelash. I love this mascara. Look how it brightens up my eyelashes. So what do you guys think? Obviously I've applied my mascara and my lip gloss. This is the finished look. And I think I'm kind of loving it. To be honest, it's actually not that bad. Like, I kind of like the look in a weird way. I think it's very like Scandinavian, very pop. It's a little bit different for me, but it does say it's a highliner, so it does highline your eyes. I don't really put too much colour when I'm going out, but I think from now on I might just be experimenting. Anyway, let's get on to the next colour. Okay guys, so for the second look, I said I want to do like a dark smoky eye. So I'm just going to prime my eyes. I am using the Urban Decay Prime Lotion. And then I'm taking the Sleek Original. I'm going to go in with a black eyeshadow so I get that really smoky eye. So now I've got like a smoky eye. I'm just taking my Real Techniques base brush just to blend that all in. And then I'm taking the Marc Jacobs Highliner in the colour 41 Earthquake, which is like a golden colour. So this is it. Oh, I thought it was like a golden colour. It's more like a brown. Epic epic fail. Okay, let's see if we can work with this. I thought it was a golden like highliner, but it's actually a brown. I'm just gonna look really dark. Okay, this is why, guys, you should actually check everything out before you get too excited. But yeah, let me just put this on. I've put this on the first eye and I'm gonna go onto the other eye. I really feel like I look really witchy. This was not the plan. I'm just going to use my Raw Techniques base brush just to blend the eyeliner out. I think I'm going to get my sleek highlighting palette just to give it a little bit more glam, because right now I'm looking very gothic and that is just not my look at all. My look is always kind of plain Jane or glitz and glam. So I'm going to go in with my sleek highlighting palette and just add a little bit more glam to it. Okay, so I've kind of edited my look with the sleek highlighting palette, but I think I've given my face a little bit more glam. I'm just going to go in with the Gigi Hadid Sensational Mascara from Maybelline. Okay, so this is the look now that I put on my mascara. Since we're already in a vampy mood, I thought the lip colour of choice would be this Illamasqua Vampette lipstick, which is very appropriate, and that is the chosen look. So obviously I achieved this look with the Marc Jacobs highliner in Earthquake. This wasn't the look I was going for. I thought the highliner was a golden highliner and I thought I was going to have like a golden under eye to go with the smoky eye. But at the end of the day, it didn't really work out, but that's fine. So yeah, guys, what do you think? Do you think it's too dark for me? I don't know. Like, half the time when you're doing these looks, you don't really know what they look like until you watch the video back and then you're like, is not that great. But I kind of like this look. I think it's kind of cool. It's not something I normally go for. I normally go for something more lighter and basic, but I think it's good to come out of your comfort zone. So those were my two chosen looks, and I just want to thank you guys so much for sticking to the end. I hope you enjoyed those looks. I really think I could have gone with a dark blue eye and this liner. If you would like to see that video where I do that, let me know in the comments below. If you want to connect with me further, you can always hit me up on my social media. I leave the links below. You can follow me on Instagram or Twitter, even though I don't really use my Twitter, but whatever. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you think anyone could benefit from this video, why not share it? I'll be happy for you to share the video. But I guess I'll see you in another video, and it will be real soon, guys. And you know what? Remember to always stay bougie.